All right, here we go. Well, she lasted just as long as I do. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Hemi Hustlers YouTube channel. Happy New Year. It is currently January 2nd. My tuner just sent me a revision, a base map per se, if you will, for this Jeep, and we're about to fire it up here. This is gonna sound sick. Check it out. Oh my God. That's hilarious. I'm super excited because I just put the exhaust on, and this is the first revision since I installed the exhaust, and I'm excited to hear what it sounds with the current exhaust setup that it had already when I bought the Jeep. Let's fire it up. So we're reading some live data. Let's go ahead and fire this baby up and see what she sounds like. Oh no. Oh no. This is not possible. Oh no. I'm sorry. This is not happening. This is not happening. What the heck is going on? What is going on? Oh no. This is quiet. I cannot. Are you guys hearing this? What? I gotta take this off. There's no way I can be caught driving this. It sounds like it's spitting. It sounds like when Donald Duck speaks. It sounds terrible. Oh my God, no way, dude. I mean, I guess at least now I can hear how the engine sounds. Man, it sounds crispy. Jeez. Yo. No exhaust leaks. That's what I like, baby. But this is... Nah, this is unacceptable. That is unacceptable. I cannot be caught even driving. I don't even want to be caught test driving this thing like this. I'm taking the exhaust back off. I'm smiling from ear to ear because that's our Jeep right here. We're about to go on our very first voyage. Yeah. I'm about to take it to Omar, AZ Mufflers. Shout out to you, bro. You already know, much love. Gets me in and out every time. I love doing business with him because we need to make the Jeep louder. But I don't want to do it by taking off the exhaust. I want to have an exhaust system. So we're going to make the Jeep louder, and we're about to fire this up. We just received another revision from the tuner. We're about to fire it up, and we're going to see the before and after so you guys can really grasp the difference, right, that's going to happen from all this. So let's get it. Let's read some live data here. Let's fire this baby up. Little startup hesitation first thing in the morning. Last time the exhaust is gonna sound like this. It sounds terrible. Cold. She's ice cold. She's been sleeping all night. Idling about 900 right now. Makes sense. It's ice cold. Reading some good data. No misfires. Beautiful. Oil temp, oil pressure, oil temp, oil coolant temp. She's barely warming up. So What's the plan for the exhaust? Well, check this out. Follow me over here. I have TRX exhaust tips. Oh, that's right. Yes, sir. I've had these in the backyard forever. I didn't know what I was gonna use them for, but you know, the time has come. They are about to serve their purpose because we're gonna put those on the Jeep and it's gonna be sick. Check these out. They're not the prettiest. They're like a flat faded black now. I wish they were shiny like that. Or honestly, I wish they were chrome because the Jeep has a lot of chrome accents. However, the factory exhaust tips on there are hideous. And this is what I have. So despite them not being the best looking, they are pretty, like, they're pretty big. So, whoa. Pozole, menudo. Yeah. This is legit. This is legit. Bam. This is what's going on here. So, check it out. Imagine the Jeep, but actually with a nicer exhaust, chopping with these tips. That's gonna look crazy. Oh, that's gonna look so sick. These are big. That's gonna fit in that pocket perfect. All right, you know what? Let's get out of here. She should be a little warmed up now. Yep, coolant temp 147, oil temp 104. She's ready to drive. Let's rock and roll. Easy mufflers, baby. So because I have a factory Jeep Grand Cherokee exhaust at home, I vouched for doing a race dumps on the Jeep. And it's gonna sound sick. Also, because I'm broke, I was like, just do the race dumps. I got the bone stock exhaust at home, so should be sick. And the after. Yeah. Guys, I'm currently at the light. Oh my god, I'm cheesing so hard because it sounds so good. But the idle's still kind of high. I'm gonna see what parameter I may have missed so that I can lower it in drive, right at a stop. So it's not done. I want it to chop lower. I want the idle speed lower. I want it slower. I want it to sound better. I'm not where I want it to be. I feel like right now it's high idle. All right, I made some adjustments to the idle RPM. We should be at 750 now. Let's go ahead and see what's going on here and fire this baby up now that we're reading some good live data. The chrome, baby. We gonna get you home. That's where I want the idle, baby. Right there. 750. Yes, I got it. Oh yeah, she's chopping low and slow, baby. Yeah. Oh, she's chopping how I like it now, boy. That's how I like my chop. Let's go for a drive. We gotta go for a drive now that she's idling nice. Let's give her some revs. See what happens. 2, it's in drive, traction control off. This time I put it in sport mode, see what happens. Let's get it. Holy shit! What the hell is that? Whoa! Okay. You mean to tell me this is Mom's Jeep? Yeah. This is Mom's Jeep. SRT. My boy Hector from Dark Side Performance, shout out to you for losing my camera stand at the Small Tire Cash Day. So thanks, buddy. I really appreciate it. Now, how am I gonna film content? Now I'm gonna lose millions of dollars. Thanks. Shout out to Dark Side Performance though. Go check them out. Check out their YouTube channel. It's a sick racing channel. That's one of my good homies. So